The Indian Super League ISL is set to make its much anticipated debut in Meghalaya as Northeast United Football Club prepares to host Mumbai City Football Club at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Shillong on the 7th of February. The match, scheduled for 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, holds significant playoff implications for both teams. Mumbai City FC will be looking to regain momentum after a goalless draw against East Bengal FC in their previous outing, while Northeast United FC aims to extend their impressive unbeaten streak to 9 matches. In the reverse fixture, the Highlanders secured a commanding 3-0 victory and will be eyeing their second league double over Mumbai City FC, having achieved the feat last in the 2020-21 season, a campaign that also marked their last playoff qualification. Currently, Northeast United FC sits 4th in the league standings with 29 points from 19 matches, registering 7 wins and 8 draws. With 4 draws and a victory in the last 5 games, the team remains in strong contention for a playoff berth as they approach the business end of the season.
I would say it's a blessing for the city, for the state, the ISL came here, and for the people of Meghalaya visit, get to witness their own eyes the ISL in JN Stadium. It's a blessing and a great achievement for the state. It's an artificial turf. Now it's a completely different field, great field now. It's bring back memories when I was a kid. I came to watch I-League with my family. My parents bring me here to watch I-League. That's how I get inspired. So tomorrow is another match for me, and I hope the crowd will come and support us and to inspire the next generation. Pressure is, like coach always tells us, pressure is always good in football, but in life, there's nothing that such as no pressure. So we play according to our plans, and with the crowd behind us, and we'll get an extra boost.
Pertama dari tingkatku ya ke city kawai tadi ke top league tadi kan manwan ikon buat kejela ke jongi de Shillong ke tingkatku kan den ka history mo ya kes lagi baru ki bei football ada jelas ba pasai ni ikon baka Mumbai ngai I baka ka stadium kalau ka ba biang ba kalau babit ha tanya na enjoy but ki dan ki way at ki stadium ba yakun ko ISL kalang la kani kala biang ha na yang parat